Hi, welcome to the Data Mill payroll system. I'm John Leckie, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to configure and navigate through the system. So to start off, we are going to configure the login functionality. It uses a web-only user with a web secret password that allows us to log in with predefined credentials located in the external users table of the actual database. So what this does basically, it'll create a user and it'll give privileges for the database to the web-only users. So you run the script right here, and it's going to create a user. Right now we're in the MySQL database and we're in the view for the user. So it's going to create this bottom one right here. It's going to be the host is localhost, the user web-only user, and the password is encrypted with SHA-1. So to access the system, when you first log in, you're going to be met with a home splash. We have 3 links here on the top that are accessible to anybody. You don't need to be logged in for this. So we have an about page, a little bit of information on the company. We have a contact page. So we're going to log in here. We're going to use the credentials listed in the README. For employee, it's EMP with a password of EMP1232. Let me make sure I spelled that correctly. And for admin, it's going to be an username of admin with a password of admin1232. So after a successful login, you are going to be shown 2 extra links on the navigation menu. We are going to have a dataset option and a report option. To access any of the 5 dataset tables, you would click on the link and they will be shown right here. Basically, just click on any of the links to access the table. We are going to start off by adding an employee. We're going to throw some test data in here. And we get a successful confirmation menu, or prompt, sorry. So to add another one, you can click on the link here, and to return to the previous form, you can click here. So we see that the employee has been added. On the right, we have a column here with edit and delete functionality. To delete a record, we simply click delete. We use the link to return. There's currently an issue with edit. Most of the functionality is there. I'm not sure what's wrong with it still. So we'll run through one more of the tables right quick. We're going to do a department. Let's add a department here. So as previously, we get a success confirmation. We could add another one this way if we'd like, just to show it out. Another success confirmation. There is a failure notice or a failure warning coded in here if something goes wrong. So we notice these 2 have been added by me. We're going to delete them right quick. And we'll move on to the reports. To access the reports, we use the navbar link right here. So basically, you're going to be shown 3 reports right out of the gate. To access them, you just click the link and it'll display the information from the table. And that has been a quick run through of our system, or sorry, my system that I created. Hopefully that answers any questions. Just a little short conclusion. The username and passwords are included in the README. The script to grant the user permissions will be included in the zipped folder. And I'd like to thank you for checking out the system. Thanks, have a nice day.